As we journey through 2024, the conversation around it's not about AI taking over, but about AI empowering us. By 2030, AI won't replace humans, but instead amplify our abilities. We are at the brink of a new era where human creativity combines with AI. AI is ready to become our most powerful tool, accelerating and enhancing our actions. AI is not about supplanting human intelligence, but augmenting it. It's a powerful tool, working alongside us in various sectors, from healthcare to transportation. In healthcare, it's helping doctors diagnose diseases with higher precision. In transportation, it's making our commutes safer and more efficient. AI is proving to be an invaluable ally, streamlining operations and unlocking new possibilities. It's not about a competition between human and artificial intelligence, but a collaboration that's shaping a future where we harness the best of both worlds. As explored in our series, AI's utility spans across sectors. Let's take a moment to revisit those highlights. In the realm of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat diseases. It's helping doctors to detect anomalies with unprecedented accuracy, leading to early interventions and improved patient outcomes. In agriculture, AI is a game changer. It's optimizing crop yields, predicting weather patterns, and even identifying pests, making our food supply more secure and sustainable. Over in transportation, AI is enhancing efficiency and safety. It's powering self-driving vehicles, optimizing logistics, and even paving the way for futuristic concepts like flying taxis. And let's not forget the IT sector. Here, AI is automating routine tasks, freeing up human brainpower for more complex problem solving. So as we can see, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool, revolutionizing diagnostics in healthcare, optimizing crop yields in agriculture, enhancing efficiency in transportation, and automating routine tasks in IT. The divide is clear. Those integrating AI into their operations are setting the pace for the future. The landscape of industry and commerce is rapidly changing, evolving under the influence of artificial intelligence. The winners in this new era are the visionaries, the innovators, those who see AI not as a threat but as a powerful ally. They understand that AI is a tool that, when wielded wisely, can streamline operations, unlock new opportunities, and propel us into the future. But there's a flip side to this coin. Those who resist change, who cling to outdated models and reject the potential of AI, risk being left behind. In an age of rapid progress, standing still is akin to moving backwards. The choice, therefore, is critical: adapt and embrace AI or face being outpaced and displaced. It's time to awaken and join the AI community. The dawn of a new era is upon us, where AI is not a threat, but a catalyst for human potential. It's an open invitation. Whether you're a business leader striving for efficiency, a professional seeking to enhance your skills, or an eager learner curious about the future. Embrace the possibilities AI offers, learn about it, implement it, and let's shape the future together. The moment to act is now. As we look towards 2030, let's envision a world where AI and human intelligence coalesce to create a more efficient, innovative, and inclusive future. Picture a landscape where artificial intelligence isn't a threat, but a collaborator, a partner in progress, a catalyst for change. Envisage a world where AI is not an adversary, but an ally that amplifies our abilities, enriches our experiences, and elevates our endeavors. Together, we can harness the power of AI to unlock our full potential. For more insights into the evolving world of AI, subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on the future that's unfolding before us. Join the conversation and let's explore together. Share your thoughts on how AI is transforming your sector in the comments below.